Hi friends, today we are making quick Japanese air fryer chicken katsu, juicy chicken breast with a crisp panko crust, but without deep frying. It is fast, light, and perfect for a weeknight. This recipe makes 2 servings and takes about 25 minutes. Let's walk through the katsu ingredients. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 6 ounces each, are the lean, quick cooking center of this recipe. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the chicken directly, so every bite tastes savory before the crust goes on. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper adds a gentle warmth that balances the sweet and tangy sauce later. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour gives the egg something to grip, which helps the panko stay attached in the air fryer. 1 large egg creates the sticky coating layer for a classic Japanese-style breaded cutlet. 1 tablespoon water loosens the egg just enough to coat the chicken evenly and lightly. 1 cup panko breadcrumbs is the key to that airy, jagged Japanese katsu crunch. 2 teaspoons neutral oil help the panko brown beautifully, even though we are not deep frying. 1/4 cup tonkatsu sauce brings the familiar sweet, tangy, savory finish that makes chicken katsu so satisfying. 2 cups finely shredded green cabbage make the plate fresh and crisp, just like a simple katsu shop side. 2 lemon wedges add a bright squeeze at the end to wake up the crispy chicken. We begin the preparation by patting the 2 chicken breasts dry, then slicing each breast horizontally into 2 thin cutlets. Aim for an even thickness of about 1/2 inch so the chicken cooks quickly and stays juicy. Now that the cutlets are even, season both sides with 1 teaspoon kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Spread the seasoning right to the edges so the chicken tastes good under the crust. Set up the breading station next. Put 1/4 cup all-purpose flour in the first bowl, beat 1 large egg with 1 tablespoon water in the second bowl, and add 1 cup panko breadcrumbs to the third bowl. To help the crust turn golden in the air fryer, drizzle 2 teaspoons neutral oil over the panko and rub it through with your fingertips until the crumbs look lightly coated. Before breading, preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. A hot basket starts crisping the panko right away. Coat the first cutlet in the flour, covering both sides, then shake off any excess. This thin dry layer is what keeps the breading from sliding off. Move that floured cutlet into the egg wash, turning it until it is coated all over. Let the extra egg drip back into the bowl so the crust stays light. Now press the cutlet into the oiled panko, coating both sides and patting gently so the flakes stick. Repeat the flour, egg, and panko steps with the remaining 3 cutlets. Let the breaded cutlets rest on the board for 5 minutes. This short pause helps the coating hydrate and hold together during cooking. Place the cutlets in the hot air fryer basket in a single layer, leaving a little space around each piece. If your basket is smaller, cook them in 2 batches so the air can circulate. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. The underside begins to firm up while the panko on top starts turning lightly golden. After 6 minutes, flip each cutlet carefully. Air fry for 5 to 7 more minutes, until the crust is deeply golden and the center reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the cooked katsu to the cutting board and rest it for 3 minutes. Then slice each cutlet across the grain into thick strips so the juicy chicken shows through the crunchy crust. To finish, mound 2 cups finely shredded green cabbage on the plate, add the sliced katsu, spoon over 1/4 cup tonkatsu sauce, and tuck in 2 lemon wedges. The cooking is complete, and the chicken katsu is ready to serve. And there it is, quick Japanese air fryer chicken katsu that delivers the golden crunch we promised, without deep frying. Serve it right away with the cabbage, lemon, and tonkatsu sauce, while the crust is still crisp. If you enjoyed this easy chicken breast recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fast home cooking ideas.